How to log out of Viber on PC. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Viber on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, once opened, you will see your profile icon on the top right of your screen. Tap on that and then tap on the settings option you see there. Further, tap on the Privacy and Security option and then tap on the Deactivate Viber on Desktop option and then tap on the Deactivate button you see there. And now in the confirmation that appears, tap on the Deactivate button, and with this, you will be successfully logged out of Viber on desktop. So this is how you can log out of Viber on desktop. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.